Okay, this is a quick tutorial on what I want you to do for your Super Tracker assignment where you record all the food that you consume for a day. First thing when you go to the web page is you're going to create your profile. You can either go to the drop down in the top right corner to create profile, or you can go down to the create profile link that's here. Once you've created your profile, it's going to ask you your gender, your height, your weight, activity level, and it's going to design a plan that meets your needs for each day. Once you've created your profile, it's going to send you a verification email, access that email, and then come back to the website and log in. How are you supposed to record what you eat each day? If you go to the Track Food and Activity, Food Tracker is this drop-down list. Go to Food Tracker, which is the top link off that Track Food and Activity drop-down. You will find this screen will show up. When you search for your food, I like to usually go into the search box in the middle of the screen. As an example, let's say that I had gummy worms for a snack. Let's go back to gummy candy because gummy worms isn't showing up. And what it does is it helps to narrow down the list. Now it's not going to have the exact information or the exact item that you consumed, but at least it pulled down a more narrowed list over here on the left. If I use that drop down, I sure enough can find the gummy worm located about midway down. You have to make sure that you indicate how many. So let's say I had 4 gummy worms for a snack. Don't forget the meal here. And then if you click this add button, it's going to drop it into your total consumption chart for the day. When you go to submit your assignment, I'm looking for a screenshot like the one you see here. This is the same screen that I was just on, and what I'd like to point out is those gummy worms gave me no nutritional information, or content I should say. Out of all my calories, it took up 117 of them. Tells me I should be exercising 150 minutes per week, which actually isn't that much. This box down here is quite interesting. It basically says total calories eaten 117. If you look down here on the bottom left, you can see that out of my added sugars, I consumed 17 added sugars, which is one of those little extra treats that probably you should skip. And then last but not least, these are your goals up at the top. I think I mentioned that already. And you can see none of my categories. See how there's no bars on the graph here? By consuming gummy worms, I obtained none of my key 5 groups of nutrients that I would like to consume each day, or that I should consume. So that's what you'll be screenshotting and placing into your Google document once you've recorded your day. Be aware that once you reach the end of the day, you must take a snapshot of it that evening. Otherwise, the day starts all over again. Actually, I believe you can go back and look at it from the previous day. So that's one benefit. If you do miss it, you can go back and look at a previous day that you did consume food going up in this top left corner. So that's what you're doing, and then answer the questions that are also on the document and submit it through Classroom.